Peace. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great granddad's day. Man, oh man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Do all of that stuff. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration with the subject culture, something pertaining towards that. Or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us there, I don't know why not. You guys gotta get on it. Get our original apparel and whatnot we got there for you guys. American apparel, one-of-a-kind artwork as well. Out here in nature. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. You know, I'm out here just walking. I had to take my dog out because I wanted to take my dog out before I was going to do my hair. You know, right now this is kind of soothing because it was very frustrating for me. I'm very angry. As far as, because I was just watching the playback, you know, because I just had to release some videos as far as what my, that I uploaded on YouTube. Because today I'm aiming for seven uploads. 7 uploads for today. Yesterday was 8. So, and you know, when I was uploading, I was just listening to myself telling my own story as far as, you know, about my narcissistic mother trying to kill me, chasing me with a knife, harassing me, putting tracking devices on my phone. You know, I was just like, oh my gosh. You know, I'm glad I was away from that bitch, but F that bitch. But I'm like, I'm still staying with my biological father, you know, who was going along with her bidding. He's a flying monkey. He's a narcissist, covert narcissist. They're both covert. But yeah, he's most definitely a covert narcissist. And I'm just like watching this mother freaking loser, and it just gets me so angry. I did a motion towards something that was already broken. And I believe it made some noise, but he just tried, I guess he just tried to not acknowledge it because he recognized he's just a bitch. He's just a bitch. He's just a needy bitch. He'd rather just want somebody's company, to be like a baby. He thinks I'm gonna take care of him. I think that's why he leaves so much of a mess and just a pigsty. That's just been like one of the main goals, you know. Cause that's what's most definitely needed to further have growth. Cause I'm like, these motherfuckers are growing. They're like freaking babies. I don't want to say that they act like kids. I call them kids. That's what I call them. But yeah, I took my dog out. I was gonna do like a little walk, but I said, man, I feel like it's right now. It's very well needed that we need to hit the forest because it's been a few days since I've hit the forest. You know, because one, like I told you guys, I was working out, and I think I like overexerted myself. It was the hardest workout I ever did. And then afterwards, I started doing some footwork, and then my ankle started hurting. So I'm pretty sure it was an ankle sprain. I most definitely know because I have restricted movement, most definitely in it. But so I've been going very light on it, you know, lighter. Let me stop saying that. Well, light means no, so what I know more. But I've been doing less work on it, you know. Haven't really ever gone to forest, but you know, I was thinking as far as like yesterday and stuff, like, you know, in order to heal, they put the body in nature and it will heal itself. So this is where I need to be at. I know there's some other things as well associated with my ankle because most definitely the body's all connected, without a doubt. Don't get that wrong. And don't think because of the way I'm talking right now, I forgot. But you guys can see feathers up. We're not just talking it, we actually living it. And another thing too, I think I got kind of angry. I realized that I think one of I was telling y'all about the foreigner who was sitting there trying to argue with me and trying to lie and say that he wasn't a foreigner, he was original inhabitant and all this, and one of the blacks, he was the one that trying to get him to talk to me because I don't know this motherfucker. I'm not sure. I think I know of who the person was, but I know they know me. So I'm like, I really don't got too much, do all that hollering back and screaming back and forth. You just screaming back and forth because, you're a liar. And another thing, I think that black male, I really think he was, instigating. I think he was instigating that thing. Because he told me to come down. I'm like, I don't do that come here and stuff. Like, I'll be like, what you need? So this is another person trying to scream and yell at another level. Because I already told him, like, don't you know? Because if you claim to be American or whatever, if you claim to be American, then you know. Because when he asked for a feather, gave it to him once, never ever seen it again. He said he lost it. You didn't value it. You didn't value it then. You didn't freaking value it. I'm not about to give you another one so you can lose it. It's the same person too who talks about, I need to borrow a book. So I don't like you. First of all, one, you gotta earn that. Because that's something I value. I value the books. I value the knowledge. You dig? I value that. You can't just have it for decoration and say, I got a book. You ain't reading it. You ain't studying. You ain't doing no type of work like that. But yeah, speaking of books too, I gotta tell you, I've been taking some time, most definitely, like, away from book reading. Oh, golly. I'm taking some time away from book reading. Because one, I wanted to focus on other things, and I think too, one, it was the experience for sure, but what I didn't stop doing because of the book reading, I didn't stop the research. Most definitely, I didn't stop the research. But I'm gonna have to jump back into it, but I'm gonna have to continue reading what I was reading, and maybe at the end of this is a different time when y'all see this recorded. At the end of this, what they call this month, because this is most definitely a different time when y'all see this. So then I'll be having my I go back to reading. So this way before the time you'll see this, I'll be reading my books as much because I was always reading a book. It's just I put it aside. So I can get some other stuff done and work on some other stuff. I think I'm not gonna make excuses, even though I've been aiming for 5 uploads. And then today I'm making yesterday I did 8, and then today I'm doing 7. So it's like, I know some reading can get done. It's been a lot. I haven't even been able to work on the course because I gotta work in the back office and work on the system and connect some things. It's been very stressful. It's been very stressful, as you guys know, because as well as with just stuff I've been working on, I've been letting you guys know what's been going on as far as an environment. It's very challenging. But right now, this is probably very soothing for me as far as being in nature, because this is the most soothing I've ever been. As far as, because sometimes I feel like in the same room as a narcissist, or just in that building, it's like the air is just so like cold clogged. I have difficulty breathing. I'm like, yo, what the frick is this? I try drinking water, try to get some air, and I'm like, yeah, I thought it was just that, but I think it's the building. I gotta be somewhere. Gotta be somewhere else, for sure. Even though it is rather humid, I should say. But if you guys want to know, more, you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that with us by sending us an email at info at healingthroughinspiration, or you can just DM us at Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. Check out our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You guys see how we even crafted a lot of those pieces on there. We got that on camera. What you can do is get with our apparel and stuff like that. All those stuff and links is in the description box. Also, if you guys want to start a business and you do have one, or if you don't have one and you want to further grow it, we got that course for you in the description box below. Make sure you guys get with that. All right, you guys have a great one. All right, peace, love, and light.